Hello, everyone. It is Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Of course, I am back to teach you another line dance, a beginner's line dance, 909 for you. It is a full wall dance that moves counterclockwise. I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. If you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instruction. If you would like to dance along with me to the music, watch till the end and also check out the choreographer. I want to give a shout out to everyone that always leave me a comment. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. And also, some of y'all guys send me texts and get in quote or something that I said at the very end. Thank you. Thank you so much, Penny. Thank you so very kindly. I appreciate your comments. Also, for those who supporting the NOLA Southern Experience 2026, thank you guys so much for your support. We sold out in record time, and we looking forward to hosting you next year. Are you ready? Let's go. All right. So this dance is really easy, guys. I will use this dance at the end of my class as a cool down, okay? It's perfect. You really don't have to teach it. And it's great for those beginners, okay? Real easy steps. Also, what I like about this dance is because it introduces you to some of the most beautiful music. 909, great selection of music. Thank you for introducing us to this artist, okay? So, let's go, guys. So, the dance starts on the left. So your weight is going to be on the right, okay? And you're going to step lift. So remember, when you start this dance, you have to step first. You're going to step on the left. So my weight is on the right. Step, lift, step, lift, step, lift, and step, lift. You're going to do that 4 times. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. From here, on the left, you're going to do a strut. 1, 2, move it up. 3, 4, move it up. 5, 6, 7, 8. So I call that a toe strut. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the reason why I call it a toe strut, because you tap with the toe and then you come down. Okay, so like a toe strut, and you're moving it up. So let's put it together. Step lift. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So my weight is back on the right. So I'm going to do a Lindy to the left. Notice everything is on the left. So I shuffle to the left, right, rock back, recover. Then I'm going to go to my right, left, right, rock back, recover. And when I do that, I do a quarter turn to the left wall, okay? So it's left, rock back, recover, right, rock back, recover. And when you rock back, recover, you're at this wall here. So remember to keep your footwork, rock back, and recover. All right? Don't move your footwork. Just finish that step. Going to the left. 1 and 2, back 3, 4, 5 and 6, back 7, 8. When you do that, the last step is on your right, okay? So instructors, watch your student that they don't, sometimes your students shuffle their footwork, okay? You don't have to do that. So rock back, recover, which is left, right. Here you're going to go into a basic step. Left over right, right over left. Left over right, right over left, hitch left, hitch right. Okay? And that's the end of the dance. So, when I rock back, recover, I cross left, right, right, hitch left, and hitch right. And the dance starts over. So, let's put it together. It's a 32 count dance. Let's put it together. Here we go. Stepping on that left. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lindy. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Cross. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Hitch. 5, 6, 7, 8. So, if you're not sure about the steps, say I'm teaching and I'm like, did I miss something? Count. When you count, I got 4 counts of 8. So that lets me know that's 32 counts. I didn't miss a step. So let's do it again. Let's go at this wall right here and we'll get a chance to do it twice, okay? So do it twice, all right? Weight is on the right, step on the left. 5, 6, 7, and step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lindy, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Turn 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4. Moving it up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Lindy to the left. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Basic. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Hitch. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Now, that's the end of the dance. So let me tell you what's going to be the most difficult part. It's really not that difficult. You just got to get used to it. Get the muscle memory. Stepping out. When they start over, stepping on that left first. 1, 2. Watch, instructor. They're going to have trouble with stepping on that left to step the dance, to start the dance over, okay? So tell them to step up. 1, lift, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lindy, 1 and 2. Rock 3, 4, 5 and 6. Turn 7, 8. Basic. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Hitch. 5, 6, 7. Step it up. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Move it up. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lindy. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Turn 7, 8. Basic. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Hitch. 5, 6, 7. Step it up. 1. All right. So give them that cue. Then make them step up on that left. That is 909 for you. Beautiful music. Kudos to Eric and Tish Jennings out of California. Love this selection of music. I love line dancing because it introduces you to so many different genres of music. That is 909 for you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so. And make sure you share this video. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.